On the off chance that you're searching for spell token cost expectations, gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of spell kind of token will go later on in an unpretentious way. We will dissect the previous costs of explicitly spell token and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners in an unpretentious way. Also, anticipating something so wonderful certainly is totally unimaginable. However, we will sort of attempt our in a real sense the best. We should really begin. Spell token past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the genuinely current cost of in a real sense spell token especially is $0. For the most part, spell is as of now position number 313 in the kind of whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of spell token is 107,405,628,969 with a market cap of $68,279,823. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the spell token's cost has shown a sort of good increment of 1.41% in the especially most recent 24 hours, which is genuinely critical. Spell token basically is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The spell is down to nearly 16.04% over the most recent 7 days, which is very huge. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past kind of couple of days. The coin could basically have sort areas of strength for of yet. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment, which generally is very huge. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of spell diminished by 25.768%. Killing an incredible normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a kind of good explicitly purchase and open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is around 2.50% and the cost circled from a base typical cost of $0 greatest normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, spell especially token has shown a developing pattern. Subsequently, we truly imagine that comparable pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of spell extremely token is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost. The coin is up by 3.05% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $0. The base typical value of was around $0 beyond 4 months. We sort of foresee future spell token cost expectations. SPELL conjecture by applying truly profound man-made consciousness helped specialized examination on the past value information of sort of spell token in a fundamentally huge manner. We give a valiant effort to truly gather greatest verifiable information for the spell coin which incorporate different boundaries like past cost, generally spell token market cap, spell token volume and truly not many essentially more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need generally excellent profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. Spell token value expectation 2023 fundamentally spell really token cost is gauged to by and large arrive at a barely the most minimal conceivable degree of $0 2023. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0, the genuinely normal estimate cost of $0. In a significant manner, spell token value forecast 2024 is per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell. In 2024, the cost of spell token is anticipated to essentially reach at the very least degree of $0, which is genuinely critical. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Or so they thought. Spell value figure for 2025 is per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell. In 2025, the cost of spell token is determined to in every practical sense be at around a base worth of $0. The spell token value worth can arrive at a limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD. Spell token value expectation 2026 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0 2026, which is genuinely critical. The spell token cost can generally arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2026, which is very critical. Spell token value expectation 2027 the cost of one spell genuinely token is supposed to really reach at a truly least degree of $0 2027. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2027. Spell extremely token value forecast 2028 the cost of spell token is anticipated to truly reach at least worth of $0 2028. The spell token cost could generally arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2028. Spell token value expectation 2029 according to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2029, the cost of spell token is supposed to generally reach at least value worth of $0. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 1 cent with the typical worth of $0, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Spell token value figure 2030. The cost of by and large spell especially token in a real sense is anticipated to in a real sense reach at the very least worth of 1 cent in 2030. The spell truly token cost could truly arrive at a greatest worth of 1 cent with the typical exchanging cost of 1 cent all through 2030 in an unpretentious manner, which is very critical. Spell sort of token value expectation 2031 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2031, the cost of spell token especially is anticipated to reach at least degree of 2 cents. The spell cost can in a real sense arrive at a most extreme degree of 2 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 2 cents. Spell token value expectation 2032 spell certainly token cost especially is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of 3 cents in 2032. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a most extreme really conceivable degree of 3 cents with the typical gauge cost of 3 cents. What amount will in a real sense spell token especially be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, spell token will have a base cost of $0, a greatest cost of $0 spell. Since spell token is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth varies radically. What will be the spell most noteworthy estimate cost for 2023? The spell cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $0 the finish of 2023, or so they thought. What amount really does spell token cost in 2024? The cost of generally spell token will increment as additional financial backers fundamentally engage in the venture. In year 2024, spell token will be truly worth about a normal cost of $0. What is the spell in every practical sense token cost today? Today, spell token explicitly is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $68,279,823. How high can spell token go? The typical cost of spell really token could go to $0 the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effortlessly come to the $0. Is spell token a wise interest in an unobtrusive way? Spell token's worth is supposed to keep on extending, as deficiency will in general support cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note, there is a gamble to any venture. Just certainly put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the most extreme exploration conceivable. What sort of is the fate of spell token? The eventual fate of spell kind of token generally is profoundly subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into spell, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right procedure in opposition to prevalent thinking. This sort of speculation truly isn't appropriate for those with a deviated risk profile. Notwithstanding, still a superb venture for those really